Hello there, a very good afternoon. Welcome back to Edith, our hospitality career channel, where we bring you all the insight of the industry. आज का हमारा इंसाइट है कि अगर आप इंडस्ट्री ऑपरेशंस को छोड़ के एक पैरेलल मूवमेंट में एंट्री चाहते हैं तो हॉस्पिटैलिटी करियर in terms of colleges या IHM colleges या catering colleges become an apt movement for us where we cannot indulge into operations anymore. So in order to impart our knowledge, our skill and our expertise, ये प्लेटफॉर्म सबसे बेहतरीन प्लेटफॉर्म बन जाता है. What we have to understand about this is that you are a graduate when you have done hospitality and you have worked for 18, 20, whatever years, and now you're looking for this movement in the colleges. The only glitch here is that you need to have a master's. The people who you are training or teaching are going to be undergrads and you are a graduate, so you need to be one level above them, which is your masters. इसलिए आपको मास्टर्स करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. Masters is available in almost all the universities, open university बोलो या private colleges बोलो. Wherever you find it, I would say please enroll and do it. It's a 2 years of commitment where you only have to give your exams. 10,000 to 12 के बीच में ये प्राइस रेंज होती है for every year. You can check what the course structure is and you can easily enroll yourself. But I would say that before you indulge into a career with regards to teaching in hospitality colleges, please masters करें. Now why is this important? This is important because जब आप interview panel में बैठते हैं and when you show all your experience, the person sitting on the other side of the chair will tell you that you're educationally not qualified because आप still a graduate हो, so I will have to reduce your salary from so much and give you only this in your hand. For example, अगर आपकी salary उस position के लिए 50,000 अभी है as per the market, he will end up giving you or she will end up giving you 30,000 or 35, 32. तो you're missing out जो money आपके pocket में होनी चाहिए. So why miss out on that? So please enroll yourself into a master's where you can get your master's degree. यहाँ पे 55 percentile is very very important for you to clear for both the years. Why? Because after this you're going to do a PhD. A PhD is a must in today's world. Eventually ये दूसरा पैरामीटर बन जाएगा other than masters that you have to be a PhD अगर आप education field में अपना मुकाम बनाना चाहते हैं. PhD 3 साल का है and you need 55 percentile to be able to eligibility है to enter your PhD. PhD can be done from state, from center, from deemed university, from private universities, from anywhere, and you can check the rate as per the fee structure जो वो offer करते हैं and you can join them. It is very important. Why? Because if your college is a 6 pay commission or 7 pay commission college, you easily get entitled for that monetary benefit. And why do you want to lose it? So I would suggest that अगर आप ये career choose करने वाले हैं eventually, which is teaching in the hospitality colleges, MSc is a must, and after that PhD undoubtedly. Now this is a friendly advice to all of these young hoteliers जो 6 months operation में या 1 month operation 1 year operation में spend करके they get motivated to come and join the teaching career. आप प्लीज़ ये मत करें because you don't know the industry, you don't know the fundamentals of the industry or the experience or the situational handling, and you cannot impart any knowledge to these youngsters. तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट प्लीज़ एटलीस्ट एक 5 साल मिनिमम इंडस्ट्री में स्पेंड करें, अपने आप को समझे, अपने स्ट्रेंथ को समझे एंड कम बैक टू द टीचिंग फील्ड अगर यही आपको करना है, सो दैट यू हैव मोर टू ऑफर टू द स्टूडेंट्स दैन यू कैन इवन थिंक. By being a newcomer in the industry, you have nothing to offer educational wise also. Now you have industry wise. तो आप दोनों तरफ से नहीं दे पाएंगे बच्चों को in terms of knowledge और in terms of the industry expertise. ठीक है? So what you have to understand is that this is a beautiful option when it comes to us hoteliers who have seen the world and want to give the knowledge and the skill to the new generation. ये platform बहुत बेहतरीन है. It takes you to the other level of giving back to the society. Please look into it from the academic point of view, I would say, and deal with your masters and then your PhD and come into this field. Being in the teaching field for the 5 years of my life right now, after having completed my OCLD, after having opened Hyatt and JW restaurants, to having worked on cruise liner, I have only understood that a lot of experience helps these students to engage into a better world tomorrow, which the hospitality is going to give them a career path. So please, if you have this capability, if you have the knowledge, please don't waste it. आप please आके इन बच्चों में वो attribute add करें, उनको वो lessons दे life के जो वो सीख सकें. But like I said, what is important is your MS, masters in tourism or masters in the hospitality that you need to do. अगर इस बारे में कोई भी questions होंगे, anything related to that, please let me know. I'll be more than glad to answer it in the comment section. अब के लिए इतना ही, and I will take your leave now. But जाते जाते I will only say a very very happy and a prosperous Diwali to you. Take care, be safe, and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.